When you're doing these jobs, you want to match the factory stuff that they had before. Don't just clear under hoods if they don't have it cleared. Don't clear the top edges of your fenders if they're satin. Make everything exactly like it was before the car was in the accident. That way you have a quality, undetectable repair. So before I do a job, I'll go over the old parts and check it out and see what that job had on each part of that job. That way, once that car is finished and everything is put back together, if that car was ever looked at, it's gonna look like it wasn't repaired.